Hello and welcome to the Birman Fan TV. It's the uncensored match preview show. As San Miguel taking on Jason Webb's Star Hotshots at the MOA Arena tomorrow night at tip-off is 5:15 p.m. Star Hotshots have reloaded after Coach Tim Cons left on the squad to join Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. But Star Hotshots are in the middle the standings where James Yap and Mark Pingris will lead the team for another win. At itong San Miguel naman is looking for 6 win in this Philippine Cup to reclaim the top spot. Mark Pingris ay lalong lumakas ang rebounding pagdating sa defensive interference sa field. Ito naman si Junmar ay gusto pang palawakin ang performance niya para ma-overtake sa kanyang best player of the conference para mataubin si Greg Slaughter ng Ginebra sa ratings. So, kakailangan si Junmar sa starting 5. At yung ibang mga bagong salta ng Star, si Mark Cruz ng veteran, and among the others, with the likes of Rafi Ribes, Alex Malyari, ang makaharap natin para bukas ng gabi. So, patindi ng patindi ang laban sa second game bukas. Ang starting 5 sa akin will be Tubig will start once again, followed by Alex Cabagnot. Lassiter can possibly play in the starting 5 first, as early as now. Then, Junmar is needed in the lineup for starting 5. Yun ang starting 5 sa akin. Anyway, let us tell us in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, the Birman Fan TV. Hit like if you want. Anyway, thanks for watching. And I'm Andre Alvaro. And we'll see you again. Inshallah. Bye.